Tired of crazy high electricity bills, looking for a way to become energy independent? Same. I was fed up, but then I found the Lost Generator. In this video, I'm reviewing the Lost Generator, a trending ClickBank product that claims to help you build your own DIY generator at home. It's inspired by old school experiments, think Edison, but updated for modern DIY. You get a downloadable blueprint and step-by-step instructions you can follow at home. Most parts are affordable and available at hardware stores. No advanced skills required. I'll walk you through what I liked and what to expect. Let's dive in. The Lost Generator is a step-by-step blueprint inspired by Thomas Edison's experiments, updated for easy DIY assembly. It includes diagrams, parts lists, and safety guidelines so you know exactly what to buy and how to assemble it. The guides show how to produce usable power, enough to charge devices and run small home appliances. Assembly is broken into simple steps. Each step is clear so beginners can follow along. The device uses thermal energy conversion principles, compact and designed for home use. Purchase is digital. You download the plans, get lifetime access and updates. I tested charging a phone and a small lamp. It worked as advertised for low power needs. So far, clear instructions, affordable parts, and real usable small-scale power. First, it's truly beginner-friendly. You don't need advanced electrical skills. Second, low cost. Most parts are cheap and local, so total build is affordable. Third, step-by-step instructions with diagrams make assembly easy to follow. Fourth, it acts as backup during blackouts so you can keep essentials running. And finally, it can help reduce your power bills when used for low-draw needs. Users report real savings and peace of mind, especially preppers and hobbyists. It's ideal for preppers, homesteaders, teachers, and anyone who loves practical DIY. The creators offer a 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it risk-free. If it's not for you, get your money back. No hassle. That guarantee made me comfortable trying it, and you can too. If you'd like to try the Lost Generator, click the link in the description or pinned comment below. Don't wait. The sooner you start, the sooner you enjoy energy independence. It's a simple, one-time purchase that could change how you power small devices at home. Click the link in the description. Start your journey to energy independence now. Thanks for watching this review of the Lost Generator. Hit like, subscribe, and check the link below to get started today.